wish I had some food for you guys. Seagulls in the sand. They're looking for food. Nice day at the beach. All the seagulls are in the sand. They like food, but they just don't like to be disturbed. I want to take a good recording of them because sometimes you don't see them. So they're all out in the sand right now. This is Edgewater Beach in Cleveland, Ohio. Edgewater Beach. See the big lake over there? All the people are on the lake and the seagulls are on the sand. But I like to record these birds. Sometimes they lay in the sand and they wait for people to feed them. But I don't have any food to give them today. There's a few of them right there. They're enjoying the sand. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Bye guys, until my next video.